Hello friends, in this series I'm making a website builder similar to Squarespace and Wix, and this is going to be the third episode in the series. So in the last episode we made it possible for users to rearrange blocks as well as removing unwanted blocks. And the way we implemented it is when you hover over a block, you get this new toolbar appearing in the top right corner of the block. And from here you can click the up arrow to move a block up, or you can click the down arrow to move it down. You can also remove a block from the page by clicking on the red X button, and that's going to give you a confirmation window, and if you click OK, then it will be removed from the page. Cool. So I also said the next thing I wanted to work on is adding a source code editor so the user can actually start updating the content of these blocks. So that's what I've been working on. And probably you already saw it, but we actually have a fourth item added to this toolbar now, and it's a little code icon here. So if you click on that, that's going to open up the source code editor. And I also made it possible to resize this in case you need it. So anyway, from here you're able to update the source code of the block. So for example, if you want to change some text, then you can type something in and you can see it instantly being reflected in the preview here. So let's just build out maybe a little product section here. To kind of showcase how it works. So let's go ahead and find some other image. Let's search for product. And yeah, let's just go with this watch here. Copy image. So I can update the source attribute here on the image, and that is going to give us our new watch image here. And let's just update it text to say smartwatch. Let's update the element to be an H1 instead, so it's a little bit bigger. Then maybe we can say for the button, purchase now. So that's kind of how you can start modifying the content of the blocks. And because we're using Tailwind CSS in the background, we can also easily change the styling of the blocks. Say we want the button and image to be rounded. Well, then we can just say rounded MD, and that's gonna round out the corners a little bit. Same goes for the image. And even colors are really easy to change. Say we wanna update the color of the button to blue, then we can say BG blue, maybe 700, and same for the border blue 700. So you can super easily just make changes to the styling and also the markup of the block. Okay, but one thing I realized is if you just want to update the text, then you really shouldn't have to go in here to do it. I feel like it would be good if I added the ability to just click on whatever text you want, and then we can use that like content editable attribute that I showed you in the last video. Let me just add it back here. So we really want something like this where you can just click on the text and update it like this without going into the source code editor. And I actually want the same kind of behavior for the image. So instead of having to go in here and pasting in a link in the source, I should just get a pop-up when I click on the image where I can upload a new image or paste in a link or something to an existing image. So that's what I want to work on in the next video. And remember, you can always try out the app yourself by going to bluekey.io. I keep the latest version deployed here. So if you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.